Hello, my name is Justin from Miss Claudes Crepes in Newmarket. Today I'll be showing you our World Egg Day dish of lemon meringue crepes. Okay, there's two parts to this World Egg Day recipe. First of all, there's our lemon curd. The second part to our World Egg Day dish is the crepe itself. Okay, let's get started on making our lemon curd. Stainless steel bowl, let's crack our 4 eggs. And we'll give them a nice little bit of a whisk up to get them all together. Add the sugar in. And then we'll add our 125 mils of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And for a bit of extra punch, we'll throw in lemon rind from the lemons we've grated there. And then we're going to get that onto our double boiler. Okay, while we've got our lemon curd going away there on the double boiler, we'll make our crepe batter so we can rest a little bit while the whole thing sits. To get started, we're going to add our 2 eggs. We're going to add our pre-measured rice bran oil and vanilla, and approximately half the milk, maybe a little bit less. We're going to combine that, get that started. And then we're going to add the flour, which we've already put the sugar and the salt in there ready to go. So get a little cup thing and add it a bit at a time so we can mix it and avoid any lumps. Mix in. A good stir. It's slowly coming out. Let's bang the rest of our flour in. Okay, let's mix that up and get it into a nice smooth paste. This doesn't take too long, and we've got a reasonably thick kind of batter there. A bit of milk in for the rest of it. Blend that through, and there we have ready to sift the batter. Really don't want any lumps left in there. Bits like that, and voila, your batter is ready to go. Okay, we're now about to finish off our lemon curd. So we've created our batter, we've had our egg mixture for our World Egg Day dish sitting on the double boiler, just on a really low simmer, nothing too high. It's warm enough now that butter's going to melt as we put it in. So let's get started. We'll actually keep stirring. We'll start adding the butter in. Wouldn't imagine that eggs are so versatile. So that's looking like it's pretty much ready there. It's thickened up very nicely. So I'm just gonna test it with the spoon method. I'm just gonna drop a spoon into the lemon curd. We just run a little finger across the back of the spoon, and because that seems to not want to come together and it seems stuck, I reckon that's ready. So let's strain it just to get any of the impurities, any little pips, bits and pieces out of it. This looks awesome. And just use your spoon, give it a stir and push it through your sieve. Okay, let's go and stick this one in the fridge to set a little bit, ready to go on our crepes. Okay, now it's time to make our crepes. So I've had the crepe pan sitting on there warming up for a good 5, 6, 7 minutes now, because we want it to get to a really good temperature with a nice even heat. Let's see how we go. We've had our crepe batter resting, covered with a tea towel for half an hour now, which is a good time. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a ladle full of our beautiful batter, grab the other pan, and let's see how we go. Pouring with a cup measure. Give it a bit of a shake, get a nice even coverage. Okay, our first side has been cooking for 2 or 3 minutes now. We know it's ready, all the top is dried out, and we're starting to get a few of those telltale bubbles that pop up on your crepe batter. So I reckon we're pretty much ready to turn. So I'm just gonna grab my spatula here and break the edge, carefully not burning my fingers, lift the, and have a look to see where we're at. It's starting to look a little bit golden brown, and lift up and flip her over, and then let that cook for another couple of minutes, and we should have a crepe All right, I think our crepe's cooked here. Let's have a look. Yep, we've got some dots happening. Your first crepe will always have smaller dots than normal. So let's pour our next crepe. So there we go. Keep the ball rolling. That should be nice and thin. Back on there. And keep going until you've used all your batter up and you've made a nice little crepe stack, and then we'll get busy decorating. Okay, welcome back. Now it's time to put the crepe together. Plate her up. Okay, we've got our lemon curd out of the fridge, nice and thick and looking absolutely delicious. Got a couple of generous spoons inside the crepe there. Let's grab it, fold it over. So just once, and then once again, lift her up gently, place it on our plate. Let's do the other one. Yeah, this looks amazing. Plate that up. You can plate it up however you like. We've got our Miss Claudes freshly made raspberry coulis here. So we're going to just plump a little bit of that on. Give it a little bit of extra punch, which works extremely well. Pop on a few meringues. Got a bit of a wedge of lemon here. There we have it. Beautiful lemon meringue crepes. Okay, the best part of any cooking session is getting to taste it at the end. So this is definitely my favorite part and certainly one of my favorite dishes. And I better make sure that I've actually done a good job. See how it all tastes. Bit of lemon curd, bit of raspberry coulis, and it's awesome.